Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ureteric fistula. The most common site of ureteric fistula is 2 centimeters lateral to the internal os, which is called as water under the bridge. The second most common site of ureteric fistula is pelvic brim. Highest risk of ureteric injury is seen in Werthin's hysterectomy. Most common cause of ureteric injury is simple hysterectomy or total abdominal hysterectomy. Most common route of surgery in which ureteric injury is common is laparoscopic hysterectomy. Ureteric
Ureteric injury is most common in laparoscopic hysterectomy.
thank you and thank you for watching.